What's going on? All right, in this video we're going to be working with the Epson WF-7820, which is the replacement wide format printer for the WF-7710 that was recently discontinued. You're not supposed to be able to use this for sublimation printing. However, it wasn't that hard. I took the chips off of the 812 initialization cartridges that come with the printer, and I put them on the front of these 802XL refillable cartridges. I filled it up with the Dynamite Gorilla Sublimation ink and put it into the printer, like so. And turned the printer on, and it initialized with this ink with the chips from these cartridges here. So the printer believes that it still has the initialization ink in there. So set up there, we went ahead and installed the printer driver, and we're ready to do a sublimation print. Now, I've already got the printer driver set up, so let me go into it. We'll go into our print settings here. Now, if you look, I've already got presets for the A-Sub 120 paper. We'll go ahead and go into that. We'll go into our More Options tab. We'll click on Advanced. And if you look, I set it up with the Epson Vivid color management, and I always start with a 2 on the cyan, -20 on magenta, and -15 on yellow. And that's with any ink. It doesn't matter what brand of ink that I use. I always start Epson Vivid, and I always go with 2 -20, 15, and that'll give me a baseline to start moving these sliders as I need to with the quality of the print. But usually this gets me in the ballpark, and I can start to go from there. So I'll click OK, click OK again, and then we're ready to print. So we'll go ahead and print. And if you look, it's all high speed now. This tray comes out by itself. And we'll go ahead and get you some shots of the printer printing. So I got it set on a high speed setting, so I'm not even gonna I'm not gonna fast forward the video here. I'm gonna let this print naturally and show you that even on a high speed setting, you can still do sublimation printing. You don't have to go necessarily really slow to print. If you calibrated your printer properly, you can leave it on a high speed setting and still not worry about the color and everything like that not transferring over. So I'm gonna let this go ahead and finish up. It's pretty much almost done already. It's about 3/4 done. So when that pops out, I'm gonna actually put it right over here and tape it down and go right to the press with it. So we'll let this go ahead and finish up here. It's ready. Get this lined up here, get it taped down and ready for the press. Alright, so we got that ready for the press. We're gonna go ahead and get this down. Alright, so now it's pressing, and we'll go ahead and let this finish up here, and I'll go ahead and fast forward it down to the fast forward the counter down. Alright, so there it is. We got the colors transferred over. Really nice. Really good printer. And for a wide format, it actually pressed out really, really fast. Again, you can use the 802 XL cartridges, swap the chips directly from the cartridges that come with it, and put them right on the front there, and you can be up and printing in no time. Thanks for watching.